Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. क्लास 12th वेक्टर अलजेब्रा पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 में हमने कुछ क्वेश्चन किए थे, पार्ट 2 में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ध्यान दो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका है फाइंड अ वेक्टर in the direction of vector A vector equal to I minus 2j that has magnitude 7 unit. That means we have to find a unit vector in the direction of vector this that has magnitude 7 unit. In the part 1 we have also done a one question, find a unit vector in the direction of given vector. But here different is what? Here given magnitude 7 unit. So this is very easy question. See here. So what is the basic point of this question? Unit vector. We have to find unit vector in the direction of given vector that has magnitude 7 unit. So we can find 7 units. So 7 into unit vector A. So unit vector A denoted by A cap. So our required answer will be 7 into unit vector. So you know 7 is 7 and unit vector A is what? 1 upon magnitude of vector A multiply vector A. Multiply vector A. So here 7 into magnitude of A vector. You know what is the magnitude? A vector is given here I minus 2j. That is I unit vector I minus 2j. So magnitude of A vector will be coefficient of unit vector I is 1. So this is 1 square. Again unit coefficient of unit vector J is minus 2. So this is what? Minus 2 square. But coefficient of unit vector K is here 0. So this is 0 square only 0 and a square root. Multiply vector A. So vector A is given unit vector I minus 2j unit vector, right? So we can write this 7 into unit vector I minus unit vector j divided by, this is 1, this is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is root under 5. So we can write this 7 upon root 5 unit vector I minus 7 to the 14. So this is 14 upon root 5 unit vector j. This is the correct answer. So anytime अगर आपको magnitude दिया हो और पूछा जाए कि find a unit vector in the direction of any vector that has magnitude, then find the unit vector and multiply this unit vector by their given magnitude. So here magnitude is 7. So 7 multiply unit vector A. So 7 into unit vector A formula you know, 1 upon magnitude of vector A multiply vector A. So this is 7, magnitude of A vector you know, coefficient of unit vector I square, so unit I coefficient 1. So this is 1 square, unit square of unit coefficient of unit vector J minus 2, minus 2 square. Here coefficient of K vector is not given, that is 0. So and multiply vector A. So vector A is given what? I minus 2j, unit vector I minus 2j, this is. So now 7 into unit vector I minus 2j divided by a square root of 5. You can write this by separating unit vector I and j. So 7 upon root 5 unit vector I minus 7 to the 14 by root 5 unit vector j. This is the right answer. Good. Now देखते हैं second question. So what is the second question? Second question is find a, again this is a unit vector. Find a unit vector in the direction of the sum of the vectors A vector and B vector. We have to find unit vector in the direction of sum of given two vector. So first you find sum of two vector. So vector A plus vector B. So sum of two vector will be also a vector. So A vector plus B vector equal to suppose C vector. So what is the C vector? So A vector is what? You write down 2 unit vector I plus 2 unit vector J minus 5 unit vector K. plus b vector is what? 2 unit vector I plus unit vector j plus unit vector 3k. 3 into unit vector k. So this is a vector plus b vector. That is c. So c vector equal to what? 2 unit vector I plus u. That is 2 plus 2 4. So this is 4 unit vector I. Here 2j and here j. So 2j plus 1j, that is 3. So 3 into unit vector j. Here minus 5k unit vector plus 3k unit vector. So you know 5k unit vector plus 3k unit vector will be what? That is minus 2. So this is minus 5k plus 3k, that is minus 2k unit vector. Now we have to find unit vector in the direction of sum. So unit vector in the direction of c vector. So unit vector in the direction of vector c equal to what? 1 upon magnitude of c vector into vector c. So 1 upon magnitude of vector c is what? Coefficient of unit vector I, that is j. I, that is 4. That is 4 square 16. Again coefficient of unit vector j is 3. So 3 square 9. Again coefficient of unit vector k is minus 2. So minus 2 square is what? 4. So this is root over. Now multiply what? That is the c vector. So c vector is given 4 unit vector I plus 3 unit vector j minus 2 unit vector k. So this is what? 6 plus 4, 20, 29. So this is 1 upon root under 29. Multiply 4 unit vector I, 3j unit vector 3 into unit vector j minus 2 into unit vector k. Now you can write this expression in this way also. That is 4 upon root under 29 unit vector I plus 3 upon root under 29 3 upon root 29 into unit vector j minus 2 upon root under 29 unit vector k. So this is 1 by root under 29 4 unit vector I plus 3 unit vector j minus 2 unit vector k. So when we separate this 4 upon root 29 unit vector I, 3 upon root 29 unit vector j minus 2 upon root 29 unit vector k. तो ये थे हमारे आज के 2 क्वेश्चन. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग करेंगे पार्ट 3 में. थैंक यू.